Hello. Welcome to my classroom. My name is Miss Collins. I live in North Carolina in the USA. These are some of my favorite things: music and reading and walking. I hope that you all enjoy learning English with me. Here's our first lesson. It's an easy lesson on vowels. The vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. Each vowel has two sounds. We call them a long and a short vowel sound. A for apple, apple is a short vowel sound. Apple. The long A sound is for acorn, acorn. Next is E for elephant. The short E sound, elephant. And the long E sound, ear, E for ear. It says ear. I for Indian is the short vowel sound, Indian. And the long vowel sound, I for iris, iris. O for octopus, octopus. And then the long vowel sound for O is open, open. Next we have U for umbrella, the short vowel sound U, umbrella. And the long vowel sound, unicorn, unicorn. Thanks for joining me today. Feel free to subscribe for more English lessons made easy.